2025 altcoin season, Shiba Inu targets 3x gains, Polygon set for a 5x jump, and Mutuum Finance to soar 10,840%. Key altcoins to experience a paradigm shift. Here's what leading analysts are tracking in the crypto markets. Shiba Inu SHIB ponders a 17x explosion from its present $0.0000126. Polygon PUL sets off for $1.57 in 2025, and Mutuum Finance MUTM leads in presale momentum with 10,840% incrementation in its sights. This optimism is driven by technical patterns, ecosystem developments, and a presale frenzy for MUTM now in phase 3 at 2 cents, 60% sold out before a 25% price increase. Shiba Inu SHIB, symmetrical triangle signals long-term surge. The future performance of Shiba Inu depends on its current symmetrical triangle pattern dating back to June 2021. The price of SHIB has positioned itself at the baseline of this triangular pattern, which technical analysis shows usually marks the beginning of upward movement. If SHIB breaks out from its current position, it could reach $0.000030 and continue to potentially rise up to its former all-time high at $0.000088. Month-long candlestick consolidation exists within the multi-year outlook of this pattern. The current daily momentum indicators point to rising bullish pressure, which could bring prices to 161% higher at $0.000033, assuming increased investor demand. It continues to risk downward movement to a minimum price of $0.0000068 in case it fails to maintain $0.00000107, while illuminating both market volatility and the potential for future instability. The Polygon POL Layer 2 scaling solution is gradually climbing. POL token is trading at $0.215 and battling resistance at $0.222. Forming a divergence, technical indicators are sending mixed signals. The RSI 14 languishes around 35, reflecting underlying bearish pressure, versus a bullish momentum message from the MACD. Analysts are pinning a 2025 target of $1.57 based off enterprise adoption and Ethereum's scalability needs. An increase above $0.222 to potentially ignite a rally towards $0.2477. However, if bearish momentum remains below $0.2003, then corrections may follow. Though sustained growth, POL's 5x upside doesn't hold a candle next to high-yield alternatives elsewhere in the blockchain world. A testament to its maturation into a Layer 2 must-have, rather than a moonshot contender. Mutuum Finance MUTM, 200% gains at launch following strong presale. Phase 3 of Mutuum Finance's MUTM electrifying presale comes at capacity, raising $4.5 million and establishing 6,400 holders within the DeFi space. Employing a 2 cents price, the token provides a 25% upside until Phase 4 raises it in $0.025. While early investors are guaranteed a 200% return on their investment at its exchange listing of $0.06, post-launch projections present even bigger prospects. Analysts explain sustained demand could be driven by MUTM's buy and distribute model, where a portion of platform revenue is used to repurchase tokens. When combined with MT tokens, which pay interest to depositors, the ecosystem encourages long-term holding. The tokenomics indicate an incredible return. $1,000 at 2 cents would be worth $3.000 upon launch. Mutuum post-listing targets of $3.50, a 17,400% pump. Mirror confidence in its lending protocols and over-collateralized stablecoin efforts. Security is the name of the game. The team is finishing up a CertiK audit. Results coming soon on official channels. Why timing matters now. As Phase 3 draws to a close, investors face a shrinking window of opportunity to get in on MUTM's pre-listing valuation. While SHIB took the tokenization route with timelines FO multi-years, and POL grew steadily and selectively, Mutuum Finance combines utility DeFi with immediate yields and distanced itself from meme-driven speculation. The project's combination of transparency, yield mechanics, and audited infrastructure also propels it as a breakout contender for 2025, with pre-sale slots disappearing by the day. Staking your claim for the altcoin of 2025 starts with strategic entry points.
Shiba Inu and Polygon are slow growers, while Mutuum Finance MUTM is all about urgency and scale. Grab tokens at 2 cents ahead of Phase 3 closing, next price jump incoming, and, following that, a vault to the forefront of decentralized finance. Please like, comment, share and follow this channel for more information or updates on news crypto.